MS Ramaya University of Applied Sciences.
Hi students, today we'll perform modified limit test for chlorides and sulfates. Aim to carry out the limit test for chlorides and sulfates in certain compounds that requires a modified procedure and to determine whether the sample is suitable for pharmaceutical use or not. The compounds chosen for this modified experiment are: for deeply colored substance, potassium permanganate, and for alkaline substance, sodium bicarbonate. Experimental setup: under this, the apparatus required are a pair of Nestle cylinders with stand, beaker, antical balance, burettes with stand, glass rods, measuring cylinders, water bath, tripod stand, Bunsen burner, butter paper, and stainless steel spatula. Chemicals and reagents required are silver nitrate, dilute nitric acid, chloride standard solution, barium chloride, acetic acid, alcohol, potassium sulfate, sulfate standard solution, distilled water, and the sample potassium permanganate and sodium bicarbonate. First, for deeply colored substances, under this, for potassium permanganate, the principle is as follows. Potassium permanganate is a color substance. Normal procedure for carrying out the chloride or sulfate limit test is not possible as color interferes. So, potassium permanganate is decolorized. It is decolorized by boiling with ethanol, then filtered. The clear colorless solution so obtained is used for carrying out the limit test for chloride and sulfate. The chemical reaction involved in decolorizing potassium permanganate is as follows. Potassium permanganate, ethyl alcohol reacts to give acetaldehyde, manganese dioxide precipitate, potassium hydroxide, and oxygen is evolved. For alkaline substance, the sample chosen is sodium bicarbonate. Principle for sodium bicarbonate is as follows. Any alkaline substance when treated with mineral acids produces carbon dioxide. If the produced gas is not removed, then it may interfere in the normal procedure for carrying out the limit test for chlorides or sulfate. Hence, alkaline substances are dissolved in sufficient acid and stirred well until carbon dioxide effervescence is ceased, and then the prescribed limit test for chloride and sulfate is performed. The chemical reaction involved in neutralizing the sodium bicarbonate is as follows. Sodium bicarbonate on reacting with hydrochloric acid gives sodium chloride plus carbon dioxide and water. Preparation of the sample: for potassium permanganate, dissolve 1.5 grams in 50 ml of distilled water, heat on a water bath, add gradually 6 ml of ethanol, cool, filter. The filtrate solution A is colorless. For chloride ions, 40 ml of the solution A compiles with the limit test for chlorides, and for sulfate, 10 ml of the solution A compiles with the limit test for sulfate. Now, carry out the limit test for chloride and sulfate as per the general procedure. Preparation of the sample for sodium bicarbonate: for chloride limit test, 1.25 grams dissolved in 15 ml of water and add 2 ml of nitric acid compiles with the limit test for chlorides. For sulfate, suspend 1 gram in 10 ml of distilled water, neutralize it with hydrochloric acid and dilute to 15 ml with distilled water. The resulting solution compiles with